Every day, more than 150,000 DAF trucks can be found on UK roads, playing their part in making the world go round. But things don't always go to plan out there in the real world. You know it, and so do we. But when the unplanned and unexpected does happen, we're here for you. From our call centre in Birmingham to every corner of the country, we're here for you. For over 50 years, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. More than 150 on-call technicians at any time, across almost 130 dealer locations, day or night, rain or shine, on-road or off-road. We're here for you. Because this is an industry that never stops, so neither do we. With 80% of calls resolved at the roadside and an average roadside completion time of 60 minutes, many call it the best backup in the business. We simply call it DAFaid. Wherever you are, wherever you need us, DAFaid. We're here for you.